Good morning, my dear children. Take out your GK book, page number 20. Page number 20. Our religions. Our religions. God is our creator. God is our creator. It means that God has made us. God has made us. Okay, God has made everything on this earth. God has created everything on this earth. God has made us. So God is our creator. Okay, God is our creator. People go to different places to worship God. Now people go to different places to worship God. Now see, we people follow different religions. Okay, we people follow different religions. All of us don't follow only one religion. Some of you might be Hindus, some of you might be Muslims, some of you might be Christians, and some of you might be Sikhs. No, so people follow different religions. Okay, people follow different religions, and according to our religion we go to the place to worship God. Okay, so today we'll learn about that places of worship. Okay, see, Hindus, the people, those who follow Hindu religion, where they will go to temple to worship God. Okay, temple to worship God. People following Hindu religion, they go to temple to worship God. Okay, Temple, temple. And those who are Muslims, means those who follow Muslim religions, they goes to mosque to worship God. Where do they go? Muslims goes to mosque to worship God. Okay, MOSQUE, mosque. And Christians, those who are Christians and those who follow Christian religion, where do they go to worship God? They go to church. They go to church. CHURCH, church. Christian, where do they go? They go to church to worship God. Okay, and those who are Sikhs, those who follow Sikh religion, where do they go? They go to Gurudwara to worship God. Okay, GURUDWARA, Gurudwara. Okay, so according to our religion, we go to our place to worship God. Okay, Hindus, they don't go to church. Muslims, they don't go to Gurudwara. Okay, they don't go. Those who follow Hindu religion, they will go to temple. Those who follow Muslims religion, they will go to mosque. And those who follow Christian religion, they will go to church. And those who follow Sikh religion, they will go to Gurudwara. Okay, according to our religion, we have our place to worship God. Okay, so name these places of worship. So by looking at this picture, we have to name the places of worship. Okay, first one, this picture is of Gurudwara. So you write here Gurudwara, GURUDWARA, Gurudwara. Okay, number 2, you can see the picture of a mosque. It is a mosque where Muslim go to worship God. So you write here mosque, MOSQUE, mosque. Number 3, you can see the picture of a church. This is a church where Christians go to worship God. So you write here CHURCH, church. Number 4, you can see the picture of a temple. This is a temple where Hindus go to worship their God. So you write here TEMPLE, temple. Okay, so in this way you will do this work in your book first. Okay, you will do this work in your book only. Okay, I will send you the notes of this work religions and places of worship, okay, which you write in your GK copy. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.